Hello guys, today we need to talk about IRDAI Acts and SEBI Acts. Both are insurance regulator and market regulator respectively. SEBI means Security and Exchange Board of India, and also IRDAI means Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. Both are regulates the insurance and market. First we need to talk about IRDAI, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. What is IRDAI? The main mission of IRDAI is to protect the policyholders, to regulate the insurance industry, and promote the insurance industry, and also orderly growth of insurance industry. These all are comes under the IRDAI Act. IRDAI is an insurance regulatory and development authority of India to protect, promote and regulate insurance industry in India. The main mission is when it was started. The history of IRDAI. The recommendations of Malhotra Committee reports in 1999 IRDAI as a constituted autonomous body to regulate and develop the insurance industry. IRDA was incorporated as a statutory body in April 2000. What are the compositions of authority? In IRDAI, the authority consists of 10 members, a chairman, 5 full-time members, and 4 part-time members. These all the members are appointed by Government of India. The IRDAI headquarters is located in Hyderabad. What are the duties, powers, and functions of the IRDAI? First of all, it can issue a certificate to set up a insurance company, and also to protect the policy holders in terms of policy claims, settlements, and interests. And third one is it can issue quotes for agents and insurance intermediaries. And fourth one is promoting efficiency in the conduct of insurance businesses. And fifth one is promoting and regulating insurance business. And sixth last one is controlling and regulating the rates. That means to issue the fees of the agents and also to set up the companies. These all are the duties and powers and functions of the IRDAI. And the second act was SEBI Act, the Securities and Exchange Board of India Act. It was established on April 12, 1992 in accordance with the Securities and Exchange Board of India Act 1992. The headquarters is located in Mumbai. What is the main purpose of SEBI? That is preamble of SEBI. To protect the interest of investors in securities and to promote the development of security market and also regulate the security market. That means we have seen daily news about the Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange. These all these companies are comes under SEBI Act. SEBI regulates these BSC and NSE stock exchanges in India. The board members. The board members, there are total 8 members consisting of a chairman, 4 full-time members and 3 part-time members. What are the powers and functions of SEBI Act? SEBI. First of all, it can check the accounts of stock exchanges. That means a BSC Bombay Stock Exchange or NSE National Stock Exchange, the books of accounts they are keeping in the stock exchanges, the SEBI can check these accounts. And second one is to protect the interest of investors and traders. That means it can gives the regulations and also some practices in the stock exchanges, and it can controlling the insider trading. If anyone conducting insider trading, it can impose penalties for such practices. That means insider trading means suppose a company was issue a shares without knowing the public, the board members or the inside employees can purchase it. This is unpracticable and malpractices to the shares or to the publics. So the SEBI can issue penalties for such practices, and also the SEBI can give the steps to protect the investor. And last one is promoting the fair practices and give code of conduct to security markets. These all are the functions and powers of SEBI Act. These two acts, IRDAI, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority, and also SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India, these two acts are very important for IBPS, SSC, and UPSC exams. Thank you, guys.